Hi traders, today is 11th of March 2020. We are now live day trading crude oil market April contract 2020 CLEJ 20, and in this video I will show you how I do day trading for US session. So this is under epic trade signal. So we just received a buy call signal a few moments ago to go excuse me, to go long at 33.48 and target TP at 61 or 63, yeah, about that area. So it was we have been filled into the market, and the stop loss at 33.24. So the highest just now is around 6 ticks or 60 US dollars. So let's wait and see. Hopefully the market will go prevail to the higher side. So we're still waiting and still entering the market at time 9 exactly at the order got filled exactly at 10 at 9 my local time. So my New York time is at 9:09. So let's wait and see. Hopefully this will be a good trade. So the target is this red line here, over here. So let's take a look on the volume. So as of today, quite made my day target profit, which is around 300 US dollar. I believe was on a micro, mini, and also micro Nasdaq NQ. So it was a good trade. And for crude oil, okay, we are on the move. Please carefully watch this video. I need to change to crude oil CLJ. One moment. Okay, so let's focus on the left hand side here. So the price remain on the higher side. So I will close for a while NQ chart and also mini S&P. So let's focus for the crude oil. Okay, so the price keep moving. So we are almost hit the TP area. The target is 61 or 63. So it will be a quick one. Hopefully, okay, we hit the target. So it was a good good and quick trading. So I think I record this video maybe around 2 minutes. So since the entry of this price level, so based from my live Telegram channel, so there's a link below in description to join my live Telegram channel. So it was a good and quick profit for epic trade. So 63 minus 49 should be 140 or 130 US dollar for a quick 2 minutes job as a day trader. So we do this every day. This is the single kind of entry I make every day. So there will always be signal most likely, and today was a quick one. I think within 2 minutes or 3 minutes, about that. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and we'll continue next trade tomorrow. So every day I only trade one time at the beginning of US session, so it will be a quick one. Once done, then that's it. We will not go into the market, so I will have to record other video for micro mini S&P futures and also the Nasdaq. So by the way, feel free to click the link below instruction. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, or ask me anything if you like. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.